Hello students, good morning. Now today we start our lesson number 5. Trees are the kindest things I know. Before starting this poem, when you get tired of walking on a hot day, you sometimes stop under the shade of a tree. Don't you feel grateful to the tree for protecting you from the heat? जब कभी आप बहुत दूर तक चलते चलते गर्मी के दिनों में थक जाते हो, तब आप एक ट्री के शेड के नीचे स्टॉप होते हो, बैठते हो. तो क्या आपको कभी ऐसा ग्रेटफुल फील नहीं होता कि ये ट्री जो है वो आपको प्रोटेक्ट कर रहा है हीट से? डू यू नो द नेम्स ऑफ द ट्री इन द स्कूल कंपाउंड और नियर योर स्कूल? हाउ मेनी ट्रीज आर देयर? In this question, it asks us that name the trees which you see in the school compound, school premises or near your school. So name them and how many trees are there. Third, can you name some trees which gives us fruit? So you have to write the names of the trees which gives us fruit. Now this one is the poem which is written by Harry Ban. H is silent, it is not called as Harry Ban. Harry Ban. First I read the poem. Trees are the kindest things I know. They do no harm, they simply grow and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among their boughs. They give us fruit in leaves above and wood to make our houses of, and leaves to burn on Halloween and in the spring new buds of green. They are the first when days begin to touch the beams of morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. And when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Trees are the kindest things I know. So students, in this poem, the poet explain us how the trees are useful to us and how they are kindest to us. Means trees are the kindest living beings on the earth. They gives us fruit to eat and wood to make our houses. They provide shade to animals and shelter to birds. They are the first when days to receive the light of the moon and beams of sun, and they are the last to hold the light of it and when the evening changes into night. And when moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby. Trees ऐसे गाते हुए गुनगुनाते रहते हैं और लोरी, ऐसा लगता है लोरी सुनाई जा रही है. ऑफ स्लीपी चिल्ड्रंस लॉन्ग एगो, नींद में भरे हुए बच्चे, उसे पेड़ की जो हिलने की आवाज़ है और वो उसके लिए एक लूलाबाई के जैसे, लोरी के जैसा काम करता है. तो सो ट्रीज आर द काइंडेस्ट थिंग्स आई नो. इसलिए ट्रीज को काइंडेस्ट कहा गया है, दयालु कहा गया है, क्योंकि वो अपने लिए खुद कुछ नहीं लेती, वो सिर्फ दूसरे को देने के लिए सब चीज़ करते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव टू रीड दिस poem. Your homework is to write the poem in your fair notebook and draw its picture. Thank you.